channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and that your weather is getting up there in the 60s or 70s. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I do all sorts of unboxing, clothing, lifestyle, beauty, makeup, skincare, you name it, I unbox it. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty. And if this is your, you just subscribed to my channel, again, thank you. So today's unboxing is a Bless box. I'm kind of on and off with this subscription only because some of the products are similar to other products I get in my boxes, and I'm trying to start getting some new boxes. So let's get into it. I want to say it's $29.99 a month. It's a monthly subscription. I'm going to leave my link below so that you can find out more about it, and then there'll be a discount code, so if you want to give it a try. I really enjoy this box, but I'm just trying to decide which boxes I want to keep because I do want to try some of the new boxes out there. So, oops, I'm sorry, it comes very nicely packaged and ready, set, bless. And there's some lifestyle products in here, and one of the reasons I like this box is because it kind of mixes everything up. So it's not just beauty, it's not just jewelry, it's a little mixture of everything. So when you open it up, it tells you everything that is inside this box. And it is a woman-owned business. And a lot of the boxes I get are like a woman-owned type of business. So the first thing I see is a new Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating Froth Mousse Mask, Energizing Coffee Latte with Coconut Milk. So I guess your face is going to taste like coffee, smell like coffee. It is the perfect blend of coffee and coconut milk. And coconut is supposed to be very good for you. So I can't wait to try this on my next Masking Monday. And the next thing is Rodeo Vitamin C Brightening Mask. They must know I do a lot of masking. I tried the Wonder Mask. I don't know if any of you have tried it. It's like you put it on and you leave it on for 15 or 20 minutes and then you kind of peel it off. I couldn't get it off. I was in such pain. But other YouTubers said they liked the mask, so I thought I'd give it another try. The second try was worse. So Miranda from Doing Life with Miranda said send it to her and she's gonna give it a try. So I'll have to check her video out. The next thing is Manna Lip Locked Priming Lip Wand. Oh, now that's nice. So I guess you put this on before you put your lipsticks. That's really nice. The next thing is a hair clip. It's got pearls on there, and I guess you just stick it in your hair. I won't be using this. I don't know if my daughter, I'll have to ask my daughter. She might like this type of stuff, but that's really nice. And I always put food in here. So organic chickpea puffs, vegan white cheddar. So I will definitely munch on those. Then we got eyelashes, and I used to do like the fake eyelashes because they were so nice you didn't have to put them on, take them off every night, but they really kind of bothered my eyes. And now with the wedding coming up, I'm going to bring about 3 pairs with me to put them on for the wedding. So this came at a really good time. The next thing is Patch Me If You Can Try, and it's one of those pimple things, and I just keep sending them to my daughter. She hasn't commented on them, if she liked it, if she used it, so I'll have to ask her. And the last two items is Sense Body Lotion, and I'm gonna have to smell this. Oh my God, that smells, it smells like clean. So I'm definitely liking that. And then the shower gel. Again, perfect timing for bringing these products to Mexico. So I have to smell this though. Oh my gosh. It actually smells like the products you would get if you stayed at a luxury hotel and they put those really nice fancy ones in there. That's what these smell like. So that was everything in this box. Again, I love this box. It's really hard to decide which boxes to keep and which boxes to hold off. So I'm just holding off on this subscription. So let's go over everything that's in here. The Vitamin C Brightening Mask retails for $55. This is $55. Maybe it's a larger size, I'm thinking, because this doesn't look like it's $55. Then that lip locked priming wand is $24. Now I can believe something like this would be $24. The Sense Lotion is $5. The Coconut Froth Mousse Mask Latte is $15.99, and the Patch Me is $14.99. I'm thinking it's for more than one. This cannot be $14.99. The shower gel was $5. The pearl hair pins are $18.99. The vegan white cheddar is $1.50, and the Boss Babe mink lashes were $15. Again, a great value. I want to say with the shipping, it comes out to about $35 a month for this box. So again, I will link everything below. Please comment, let me know what you thought of this box. And again, with the link, there'll probably be a discount code. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.